Hey friends, so I made $103 on this application, and I tried too many applications, other worked and other didn't work. So in this video, I'm coming to show you these applications that are really going to pay you real money. The good thing about this application that some of these applications are going to pay you on daily basis and other are just going to pay you on a monthly basis. In the middle of this video, I'll be happy to show you my payment proof on how much I made just from this application. And right now, let me show you how other people are just making decent amount of money from comfort of their home. Let's see this video a little bit, and we're just going to proceed and see how are we just going to make money from these different legit applications.
That it's legit and it deposits the money into your account instantly after you reach the cash out balance over about $100.
Alright, so our very first application is called GrabPoints, and this application is going to pay you up to $100 a month. And the good thing about this application is very easy to use, and I'm pretty sure that anyone can use this application. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to their website, which is called grabpoint.com. Then you have to click this place which is written as earn. So right after clicking this place which is written as earn, then you'll be in a position to choose any task that you want to perform on this platform. And there are too many tasks on this platform. You can get paid $1 per every question that you're just going to answer, but also you can get paid up to $13 if you're just going to play game on this platform. $13 up to $20 per 1 hour just by playing games on this platform. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is trusted and legit website which is called grabpoint.com. Then you have to sign up, which usually takes only a few minutes for you to sign up and do all the stuff. Then you have to start performing this task, then you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. I've seen people are making up to $200 on a monthly basis just from this application. So you have to go right now and join on this platform and start making money. The other good thing about this platform is that you can get paid $5 up to $10 just by watching videos on this platform. So you can see there are a lot of opportunities for you to start making money on this platform. And I laid too many reviews. People are saying that they really get paid on this platform. So let's move to the next platform. Alright, so our next application is called Airtable, and this is the one that paid me $103 on this application as my first payment. And you can see there are a lot of people who are making a significant amount on this application, and you're just going to get paid just by completing very simple surveys, but also by inviting your friends or family or anyone you know and you want them to join on this application, just by convincing them. And if they're just going to join on this platform through your link, you can get paid reasonable amount of money. So I really encourage and I really recommend you really have to go forward and download this application on your mobile phone, and you can start making money just by doing very simple surveys, just by performing very simple surveys, and you can get paid. And I've seen a lot of people who are making up to $120 a month, $130 a month. So you really have to go forward and join to Airtable and see how much you're really going to make on this application. Alright, so this next application is called CoinUp, and this application will allow you to participate in various activities such as walking, driving, or exploring different locations. The very good thing and what I really like about this application is that you're just going to get paid every time that you move from this place to another place. So the more you move, the more you're just going to earn a lot of money from this application. So the aim of this application is that they need to collect data from different locations. This is going to help different companies to decide which place to invest, which place to open their different stores and market their product. So this is very important for them. That's the reason they're just going to pay you to move to different locations so that you can explore to this location and they can get enough data in a certain location. So you have to go forward and join on this application and start moving from different places. You can see you earn money just by doing that. So I really recommend you have to go forward and try to this application and see how much you're gonna make. This next application is very interesting. It's called Game Prizes, and as you can see right here, this game has been downloaded with more than 10 million people on Google Play. So you can earn $10 up to $20 per day just by playing games on this application. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to Google Play, then you have to download this game. There are a lot of games. Just by playing these games, you can get paid. And the very good thing about this application is that I read all these good reviews, people saying that they will get paid, and there are people who are making up to $500 on a monthly basis. I would encourage you have to go forward and download this application on your mobile phone, and you can start making money. $15 can be enough money for you, and you can end up making up to $500 a month. So you really have to go forward and start making money just by doing that. Alright, so our last application is called Rakuten, and this is the most trusted platform, and I really recommend if you love shopping. On this application, you'll get paid for shopping different items or purchasing different items on this application. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this application which is called Rakuten, and you have to sign up, which usually takes a very short time. And after signing up on this application, once you purchase anything from this application, you can get paid back. You have to check your balance and see how much you got from this application, because this application is going to give at least 10% of your purchasing back to your account. So you have to go forward and you can start making money just by doing that. So I think this is a very trusted platform, and I've seen other people making up to $90 just on this application. So you really have to go forward, and I think this is really going to save your money while purchasing online. So you really have to go to this platform and start doing that. You can get a reasonable amount of money back to your account. So you have to go forward and join to Rakuten and see how much you're really gonna make and how much you're really gonna save just by doing that. So I mentioned more than 6 applications that are really going to pay you money in this video, but I really recommend you really have to go forward and try this application which is called Edible, because I get paid from this application, and I've seen a lot of people making decent amount in a very short time from this application. So among all these applications, I think you really have to go first and try to this application which is called Edible. Then you can try other website and see how much you're just going to make from these other applications that I mentioned in this video. But I'll be trying all these applications and I'll be updating you guys and show you how much I got from each application that I'm just going to try from now on. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I really hope to see you next time. Thanks so much and God bless you.